Hey, hey. Get the ball, get the ball. Move the ball.
Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Go!
Nice one, Hari. Take it out. He's out. Nice one. Well done, girl.
We focus on athletic training. We also do group fitness, and now we're actually associated with Goa Rugby as their health and conditioning partner as well. Follow us on Facebook. We're got a website as well. We're looking to try and develop athletics in Goa.
So we have organized this tournament in North Goa. So that is basically the yellow that you see here is the North Goa club, and this is the Veritaz Cup. Veritaz is our sponsor for the season for Goa Rugby. So we have kept this Veritaz Cup around 8 teams, that is under 18s and the seniors, girls and boys.